without access to education and job opportunities, many are left struggling, uncertain about their future. But in the heart of Nairobi, a unique initiative has been transforming lives for 2 decades. The DePaul Woodworking program, run by the Vicentians. For 20 years, this program has provided free carpentry training to young people, equipping them with life-changing skills and a renewed sense of purpose. From uncertainty to opportunity, from despair to dignity, the DePaul Woodworking program is not just building furniture, it's building futures.